Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows 11 or Windows 10 security error that the virus and threat protections updates is ingent and unavailable. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on search menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung security center. So, scroll down lang tayo. And then, hanapin natin yung security center. And then, ito na siya. So, dito, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then, pop up itong kanyang security center properties. So, dito lang sa general. And then next ay dito lang sa kanyang service status, kailangan lang i-click mo itong start. Okay? So once na-click mo na itong start, so ang next step ay click mo lang dito yung okay. So click mo lang yung okay. And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin itong services. And then dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So, dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na SC space start. So, in all small letter yan, and then space when depends. So, yung W is capital, and then when, and then capital ulit, depend, and then space, enable. And so, kailangan mo nang i-type yung SC space start. So, small letter yan, space, and then capital W. When depend, yung D is capital, and then space, enable siya. And then, press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So, makikita mo na dito na an instance of the service is already running. So, kapag nag-appear ito mga kaibigan, so no need to worry about that. In hope na na-resolve yung issue. But if the error still persists, so kailangan lang natin i-enter itong command keyword na to at ilalagay ko to sa description box. So, kailangan mo lang i-copy and paste natin itong command keyword na descent space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore help. So, copy lang natin yan. And then next ay, dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung edit. And then click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus B and then press mo lang yan. And then next ay press mo lang yung enter. So makikita mo na dito na deployment image servicing and management code. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na the operations completed successfully. So, ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix virus and threat protections showing engine unavailable. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.